Well, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting automotive innovations. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking reveal that's turning heads and redefining the motorhome experience. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold vision of what modern, mobile luxury living can truly be. Mitsubishi, known for its durability, smart engineering, and practical innovation, has stepped into the motorhome market with a model that blends high-end features, environmental consciousness, and technological brilliance like never before. At first glance, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome commands attention with its sleek and aerodynamic design. It breaks away from the bulky and boxy designs of traditional RVs. Instead, Mitsubishi introduces a smooth, flowing silhouette that's both futuristic and functional. The front fascia borrows cues from the brand's flagship SUVs, with dynamic LED lighting, a bold grille, and muscular lines that enhance airflow and reduce drag. The two-tone paint scheme and premium alloy wheels add an upscale flair, making this motorhome look just as good pulling into a luxury resort as it does off the grid. Under the hood, the Mitsubishi Motorhome is a technological marvel. It's powered by a plug-in hybrid system that combines a powerful electric drivetrain with a turbocharged petrol engine, offering the perfect balance between performance and sustainability. With an all-electric range of up to 150 kilometers and an extended range of over 800 kilometers with the hybrid system. This motorhome is built for both urban cruising and cross-country adventures. Fast charging capabilities ensure you're back on the road quickly, and regenerative braking maximizes efficiency. For those seeking greener travel without sacrificing range or power, Mitsubishi delivers a winning solution. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's nothing short of breathtaking. The living area is designed to maximize space, comfort, and usability. Premium materials are used throughout, including sustainable wood accents, vegan leather upholstery, and ambient LED lighting. The main cabin features a modular seating area that can be transformed into a full-sized bed, a lounge space, or a dining area with a retractable table. Mitsubishi has taken inspiration from minimalist Japanese design, blending elegance with functionality. The kitchen area is a chef's dream on wheels. It comes equipped with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection microwave, and deep stainless steel sink. There's plenty of counter space, and clever storage solutions make the most of every inch. The water system includes a state-of-the-art filtration setup, allowing you to use water from various sources with confidence. There's even an onboard compost system for food waste, aligning with Mitsubishi's eco-friendly philosophy. The bathroom is compact yet luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, smart toilet with bedded functionality, and heated floors. Everything is optimized for comfort and hygiene. Solar-powered ventilation and anti-fog mirrors enhance the experience, making you forget you're even in a vehicle. Mitsubishi has prioritized not just function, but also a touch of indulgence in every part of this mobile home. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. It comes with a central control system that allows you to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security through a built-in touchscreen or a mobile app. Voice control and AI integration mean you can ask the system to set the temperature, find a campsite, or start your coffee maker. There's 5G connectivity, satellite GPS with offline maps, and a built-in drone for aerial views and scouting locations. Whether you're working remotely or just staying connected on the road, this motorhome has you covered. One of the most impressive features is the expandable living quarters. With the push of a button, the vehicle's sides slide out to create a significantly larger interior space when parked. This allows for a separate bedroom area with a queen-size memory foam bed, built-in closet space, and blackout curtains for privacy. It's a game changer for families or couples who want the comforts of home wherever they go. Safety has not been compromised either. Mitsubishi integrates its latest suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, automated parking, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. The vehicle also features off-road capabilities with all-wheel drive, adjustable suspension, and traction control, so you're not limited to highways and campsites. Whether you're climbing mountainous terrain or navigating a city street, this motorhome adapts to your journey. Storage is another area where this vehicle shines. External storage compartments are accessible from multiple sides, and internal smart organizers keep everything in its place. There's even a garage at the rear designed to carry bikes, small ATVs, or other adventure gear. For those who love outdoor living, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome comes with a retractable awning, built-in outdoor speakers, and a slide-out kitchenette for open-air cooking. Mitsubishi hasn't forgotten about energy independence either. The roof is lined with high-efficiency solar panels that feed into a large-capacity battery system, powering the lights, appliances, and even the HVAC system when you're off-grid. It's an ideal setup for long-term travel or for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint while exploring the world. Another key aspect is customization. Mitsubishi offers multiple layout options and upgrade packages to fit different lifestyles. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend explorer, or a full-time traveler, you can tailor the motorhome to suit your needs. Options include theater-style seating, a second-row bunk bed configuration, or a luxury edition with full hardwood flooring and an integrated wine cooler. You can even opt for pet-friendly upgrades, including a built-in feeding station and pet washing bay. The driving experience is just as refined, with an elevated driving position, ergonomic seating, and a panoramic windshield. Every journey feels comfortable and connected to the road. Noise cancellation technology ensures a quiet ride, and adaptive suspension adjusts based on road conditions for a smooth and stable feel. Mitsubishi also provides a complete after-sales support system for motorhome customers. From a dedicated helpline and mobile app support to scheduled maintenance and OTA software updates, you're never on your own. And with a growing network of Mitsubishi certified service centers, even the most remote adventures are backed by world-class support. In a market where luxury and practicality don't often go hand in hand, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome sets a new standard. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for mobility or sustainability for convenience. This is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle solution, a mobile sanctuary, and a statement of freedom. Mitsubishi has entered the motorhome arena with bold confidence and undeniable excellence. So, whether you're planning a cross-country expedition, a coastal road trip, or just want to escape the city on weekends, the Mitsubishi Motorhome is your perfect companion. It's time to rethink what's possible on four wheels. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Beats for more incredible automotive content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep chasing the road less traveled and let the journey define you.